Hello everyone, in this tutorial today we shall be learning how to convert image to text using Microsoft Word. So here we have the picture I saved as jpeg, and I need to edit this picture to make corrections or to add some things to this image. First, I open up my Word document. I copy the image and paste it on the blank template, or I can drag and drop the image inside the blank template. Notice that when I try to make any adjustments or to make corrections within this document, but it is not just possible. So in order to be able to edit it, the first thing I have to do is to come to File at the top left hand side. I click on it. As it has opened up, I select Save As. I select where I want to save the document, which is desktop. I give the document a name. In this tutorial, it shall be picture to text. Here, if you notice, it says Save as Type Word document. Instead of saving the document as Word document, I click on the drop down and select Save as PDF. Then I click on Save to have it saved in my computer. So having saved the document as PDF, it has opened up automatically on its own as PDF. The next thing I will do is to click on Tools. I click on Export. Then it asks us to export your PDF to any format. And in this tutorial, I'm exporting it as Word document. So I click on Export. It asks us, where do we want to save this document? Do you want to still have it on the desktop or another folder? If you click here, it will open up for you to give your document a name and choose the position you want to save your document. Since I will still want to have it on the desktop, I give it a name, which is Picture to Text 23. I choose desktop, click on Save. The image has been fully converted into a Word document. You can now make any corrections you want. Any corrections you want is now possible as Word document. So this is how easy it is to convert your picture to this end. Let us compare the images as an image on the Word document and the image converted to Word document. So when we look here, this is the image on the Word document. We cannot make any correction in it, but the image that has been converted to Word document, we can make all the corrections we need in it, but this we cannot be able to do so. We can remove this if it becomes necessary, and we can bring it back as well, but that we cannot do when it's just an image. Everything is pretty the same. When next you are faced with challenges of making adjustment, just take a picture with your phone, convert it to Word document, make your adjustment, and that is it. So we have come to the end of this tutorial today. Thank you for watching. If you get some value from this video, please give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon so YouTube will notify you once I drop a new video. And do share this video with family and friends. Have a wonderful day.